Imagine a fountain of relaxation flowing down from the top of your head into the muscles of your scalp. This wave of relaxation flowing over the top of your head down into the muscles of your scalp, relaxing all the tension away, relaxing each and every muscle in your scalp as all the muscles become deeper and deeper relaxed. Just like a handful of loose rubber bands, loose and limp, loose and limp, becoming deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. This wave of relaxation now flows down the top of your head, down into the muscles of your forehead, relaxing each and every muscle, relaxing all the tension as all the muscles in your forehead become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Now, this wave of relaxation flows down into the tiny, delicate muscles, nerves, and fibers around your eyes, as all the tiny, delicate muscles, nerves, and fibers become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, more relaxed than you have ever been before. Now, this wave of relaxation moves down into the muscles of your face, relaxing each and every muscle in your face, relaxing the cheek and jaw muscles. This wave of relaxation moves into the muscles of your mouth, throat, and tongue, gently relaxing all the muscles in your mouth as the muscles become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, even deeper. Now, allow this wave of relaxation to move down into the back of your head and down into your neck and shoulder muscles, relaxing all the muscles in the back of your head, neck, and shoulders, as each and every muscle become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Allow yourself to become more deeply relaxed than you have ever been before, and even deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Now this wave of relaxation moves down into the muscles of both arms, as the muscles in both arms become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, and even deeper. Now, this wave of relaxation moves into your wrists and all the muscles of both hands and all the way down to the ends of your fingertips, relaxing each and every muscle in both hands, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. This wave of relaxation now moves from your shoulders down into the back muscles, relaxing all the muscles in your back, as each and every muscle become deeper and deeper relaxed, more relaxed than you have ever been before, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Now, this wave of relaxation moves down into your chest and stomach muscles, as all the muscles in your chest and stomach become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Now, this wave of relaxation moves down into your hips and groin, relaxing all the muscles in your hips and groin as they become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, more deeply relaxed than you have ever been before, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Now, this wave of relaxation moves down into your thighs, relaxing all the muscles in your thighs, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, more relaxed than you have ever been before. This wave of relaxation now moves down into your thighs and into your calf muscles of both legs, completely relaxing all the muscles in both legs as each and every muscle become deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper than you have ever been before, deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Now, this wave of relaxation moves into both your ankles and the muscles of both feet and all the way down to the tips of your toes, relaxing both feet deeper and deeper relaxed, deeper and deeper relaxed. Now your entire body is more relaxed than you have ever been before. Now, imagine you are standing in front of an elevator that will take you down into your subconscious mind, to all the programming of your thoughts and feelings, where you can safely and easily reprogram and recondition your subconscious mind to have a happy and wonderful life. The elevator door opens and you step inside. Now, the elevator door closes and begin to descend. Now, as you go down, deeper and deeper, you begin to fall asleep. As you continue to be aware of my voice, and as you go down deeper and deeper asleep, you will continue to hear my voice. I will count the floors as you go down, deeper and deeper asleep, counting from 10 to 1 as you go down deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper asleep, more deeply asleep than you have ever been before, as you continue to be aware of my voice. 10, deeper and deeper asleep. 9, deeper and deeper asleep, deeper and deeper. 8, deeper and even deeper. 7, deeper. 6, even deeper. 5, 4, deeper than you have ever been before, deeper and deeper asleep. 3, 2, 1. The elevator door opens and you step into a magical garden paradise. You notice a beautiful pond under a giant oak tree just a few feet away. You walk over to the edge of the pond and you notice your reflection on the surface of the water. An oak leaf gently falls from the tree above onto the surface of the water. Ripples across the surface of the water cause your reflection to disappear into shimmering facets of light. As the pond becomes still, you can see your reflection once again in the mirror-like surface of the water. Now your image has changed into the reflection of the person you have always wanted to be and have always known you can be now. You see with absolute clarity now, you are being provided extravagant wealth. And you can feel intensely now, you are being fortunate. And you can tell now, you are being worthy. You return to the corridor and continue down the hallway until you come to the next door. The sign on the door reads, "Manifest your destiny." You open the door and enter the room now. You are in a movie theater. You find a comfortable place to sit, and the screen comes to life as you begin watching the movie. As you watch the movie, you realize the movie you're seeing is a movie of your future happening now. You are being provided great wealth, and you are being opulent and generous with your friends and family. You are being grateful for all your good fortune by sharing wonderful gifts with the ones you love. You are being creative in business, and you are being provided huge profits and great benefits. You are being rich and a luxury homeowner living a lavish lifestyle. You see with absolute clarity now, you are being resourceful. And you feel intensely now, you are being profitable. And you can tell now, you are being effective. And you know now, you are being a success. The lights come up and you return to the hallway, knowing your destiny is bright. You continue down the hallway until you come to the next door. The sign above the door reads, Power Control. You open the door now to find a beautiful meadow with rolling hills of green grass as far as you can see. Standing in the meadow is a magnificent white horse. You approach the horse now, and the steed bends down on one knee so you can easily climb up onto the horse's back and take its thick white mane in your hands now. You nudge your steed and begin to cross the meadow. You nudge your steed again and the horse begins to gallop. You feel the power of your horse as you pick up speed. You feel comfortable and safe knowing you're being confident and in control. Other horses come from over the hills and join you now, until 100 horses are galloping along with you, all of them galloping in unison and following your lead. You nudge your great steed again, and all the horses begin to gallop at full speed, and you can feel the intense power of all the horses as you lead them across the meadow. You begin to realize the intense power you are feeling are your emotions driving you in the direction of success. You can see with absolute clarity, now you are being productive. And you feel intensely now, you are being rewarded. And you can tell now, you are being accomplished. And you know, now, you are being abundant. You see a stream running along the edge of the meadow, and you slow your horse to a walk, bringing the steed closer to the water for a refreshing drink. The other horses follow your lead and stop to drink from this refreshing stream.